It's springtime. You know what that means. Time to clean stuff up. And also snotty weather every day. Rains all the time. We're going to wash the skidder up, get all the globs of grease off of it so we can put new globs of grease all over it. It is awful dirty too. It's covered in mud. So if you've reached this video out of total chance, we appreciate you stopping by. It's just us guys out here having a good time, cleaning up our machinery. To begin our maintenance adventure, we are going to take this giant grill off of the radiator cover so we can take the belly pan down. Now, I can't stress enough how important it is to take these off every now and then. If you own big machinery, these things leak oil and there's dirt and branches all up inside there. All it has to take is one time you park and go home, all that stuff will light right up. But that's not bad. That's not bad for a great reveal. It kind of popped open on me. I was trying to make it go a little bit slower, but there it is. I'm gonna take this one off next. This one looks juicy. Something going on in there we need to find out. Oh, that's as far down as she wants to go, huh? And some oil and leaves and stuff in there. Oh. Water. Oh. See, very nice. Greasy, icky, sticky. Well, that's so. Yeah, that's why you drop your belly pans, fellas. Because all it takes is just one little spark from the battery cable or something. Kaboom! And do the oil.
Because we always work on the fly. We're like, this is all we got, boys.
We MacGyver pretty much everything. It's having a bad spot. It's gonna splooge on me if I'm not smart about this. Alright. Stick the bucket there. Oh, she's a squirter, dude. Oh man, that is. Hey, what color should the oil be normally, you think? Also, do you think there's more than like 3 gallons in here? It's pretty black. Might have been a little low because there's only... Well, no, that just comes out really fast. Nice and slimy feeling. I don't feel any grit in it. Some sludge, but that's fine, right? And then, I don't know, does that look like normal oil to you guys?
Man, it looks like diesel.
Yeah, but feel my fingers. Still got lubricant value to it. Have you had this oil pan off before?
No.
Hey, don't touch my thing. What do you think you're doing? Don't touch other people's stuff.
That's normal.
Come over here, touch my plug. How long is this gonna fucking drip out of here? Like a virgin, ooh, touched for the very first time. Like a virgin. Shamona!
Yeah, there it is.
Dripping everywhere. Stop it, wind. You're making my skidder dirty. I'm down to 1 tiny stream of oil. I'm gonna wait till I'm down to 2. I'm gonna wait till I'm down to 1 tiny stream of oil. I'm calling it good. This will make good fire for many moons. Oh yeah, you'll be able to start a lot of fires with this fucking bucket of oil.
Yeah.
It smells terrible. It smells like a dirty oil furnace. But it's not an oil furnace, it's a skidder. Yeah, I'm just sitting here not doing much, I'm sorry. I'm just relaxing, alright? Alright, that's good enough. Hey! That was real noisy next to my head there. Yeah. Hey, hold on a second, take this from me.
Did somebody just fart on me?
Hey, Timmy.
Yeah.
Can you take this wrench from me? I'm over here.
There it is. Oh boy. You alright, bro?
I'm kind of mortified on what I've done to my hands just now.
Do you want a rag?
I do, actually.
Is that recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna say what this.
That's all right.